I just received this package from New York. Yeah, there is an iPad cracked screen, and there is a replacement screen. This is iPad Pro, and this is the iPad. So customer tried to replace the screen, and I think they get a burned or damaged one component is here. So let's look. There is a little damage here by the connector. Well, I don't think is the pins and the connector still looks good. And there is a missing component here. You can see there is some little solder. So I think this is a filter here.
You didn't already understand it in French?
Yeah, from this point, and I think this is maybe this is a VCC to here. So I did see a little point that we are going to try to solder to, and we see how it's go. Because from here there is no close point that we can make a jumper. And let's go to the ZXW. This is the missing component. So the only close point is all the way to here. So first we're going to try to solder in that point, and if that work is good, if not, I'm going to run a jumper to this point here. All right, the iPad is ready. So touch screen works. That filter was by the LCD connector, and I guess it's backlight filter. So the model number is a1673. I just have to put it together and ship it back to the customer. This is all for this video, and see you again.